Welcome back everyone once again to 10 Minutes with Miss Campos. Thank you for joining me in this day 5 of our week 2 in our intervention session. Today you will use what you learned so far this week for a quick verb tense review game. You can play on your own or with your family. Invite them to join you and show them how to play the game. But be careful though, I will include some options to trick you, so make sure that you're thinking carefully when you're making the choice and don't get fooled. So to start us off, you need to have the verbs. You need to have them in the present and in the past tense. Now, if you notice this example here, leaved is incorrect. So that's the trick of the game. You will have the correct verb, choose, the past tense, chose, and an incorrect past tense version. Chosed is not a word. So you're going to put them into index cards or in pieces of paper, and you're going to cut them into small cards, and then you're going to shuffle all of your cards to make sure they're mixed. Once you shuffle them, we're going to start with a 3-player example. You will divide the cards into 3 players. Each player at the same time will take out their top card and lay it out so the other players can see it. The player with the correct past tense verb takes all the 3 cards. But if you notice in this example, we have 1 past tense verb that is incorrect, and then we have 2 present tense verbs. So only these 2 players will draw another card. Now, the player with the correct past tense verb will take all the cards on the table. Here is another example of 2-player game. You will equally divide the cards into 2 players like this. Then the players will draw a card facing up so that everyone can see, and the one with the correct past tense verb will take the cards. In this case, it's a tie because both of these verbs are in their correct past tense, so players will draw again. This time, the player with the correct past tense verb will take all the cards. Players continue playing until all cards are gone. The player with the highest deck is the winner. And here's an example of a solo game. You're going to take all your cards and put them into 2 columns, one of past tense and one of present tense. Any incorrect past tense verb you can put to the side. Then you will match the verbs to their tense and place them side by side. Continue to match the other verbs into their proper tense. Continue playing the game until they are all properly sorted with their present and past tense. So now that you know how to play the game and how it works, share it with your friends and family. Add on more words if you like. You can find them in dictionaries, online, in books, anything around your house that has text. Try to test your parents or your siblings on the proper verb tense, and keep practicing these skills as you read and write and improve these reading strategies. Stay tuned for our week 3 intervention session coming up, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.